Are you curious about the cost to develop a dating app like Tinder? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it. Tinder, the world's most popular dating app, has revolutionized how people connect and find love. It appealed to a younger demographic and revolutionized the dating scene by making it easier to find potential matches based on proximity and shared interests. Several key factors that influence the cost of developing a dating app, such as design and user interface, features and functionality, platform compatibility, development platform, application size, and tech stacks. The cost varies depending on multiple factors. Still, the average cost to build a dating app like Tinder can range from $10,000 to $25,000. However, it's not just the cost. Choosing a reliable development partner with experience in dating app development is crucial. Technosys, a leading dating app development company, can be your perfect partner to develop a remarkable dating application. Drop your dating app development requirements now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative videos.